Good morning, everyone. Lisa has started to feel a little more and more under the weather. She's come down with a bit of a cold. So I'm heading over to Family Mart right now to find her some food because she's just planning on staying in the hotel all day. She doesn't think she can make it out at all. So, but she told me to go ahead and try to head over to Matsushima, which is the coastal town that several people in Shiogama recommended us to visit. So I'm gonna head that way and try to take some pictures. But again, first I'm going to Family Mart, which is right around the corner from our hotel here, in order to get Lisa some food to eat throughout the day. Hopefully they'll have some juice or something that she can drink so she can stay hydrated. So yep, we're on to Family Mart, then I'll head over to the train station in order to head towards Matsushima. Alright, so we got Lisa a bunch of snacks and juices for her to munch on throughout the day. And I'm now heading to the Sendai station to go head up to Matsushima. Guys, we made it here to Matsushima. We made it okay. There's quite a few people here actually, so I'm just sort of following the crowd as of right now. I know there's a few temples that we could take a look at here and get some pictures of. And another big attraction here is there's several small islands out in the bay. So we're going to try to catch a sightseeing boat tour in order to get a good view of those. And yeah, so I think right now I'm just on the road heading to a couple temples, and then I'll probably do those first and then try to catch the boat tours right after those. Hey guys, so far here in Matsushima I've gone to 4 different temples. They've all been along one little street, which has been really nice, just going which one after the other. None of them have been terribly big, but they've all been beautiful and overall very peaceful, really. Especially the first one and the last one that I went to. Those ones didn't really have any people there at all, so that was nice. But I'm just now leaving the 4th temple. Overall, it's been very nice. The city is very beautiful from what I've seen so far, and the weather has really held up for me. So now I'm probably going to head towards the bay in order to catch a boat tour, in order to see all of the, there's supposed to be several hundred small islands in the bay, which is what makes this area very beautiful. And then after that, I'm going to try to actually walk to some of them. They have some that have a couple of really pretty bridges to access the islands. I'm going to try to catch some of those as well. So I'm going to head towards the bay, and we'll see you on the boat, hopefully. Hey guys, I was able to make it to my boat in time. I splurged a little bit to get the first class seats on the 2nd floor. It's pretty empty up here, which will be nice, so I'll be able to move around the boat and take pictures from both sides pretty easily. And I'm also pretty close to the front of the boat as well, so I'll be able to hopefully get some good shots for both pictures and video for everything today on the tour. The tour is supposed to last about 50 minutes, I believe. And it basically just goes around the bay just to sort of see all of the small little islands. So hopefully everything looks beautiful while we're out there, and I'll probably check in back with you guys when I get off the boat and figure out what I'm going to do next. Hey everyone, I'm out here on the pier. I finished up the boat tour around Matsushima Bay, which was a lot of fun. A lot of little islands that we got to see, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, so now my plan is to head over to Fukui Bridge, which is right over here. This bridge back in the distance. So I'm gonna head over there and see what it looks like over on the island there. Hey guys, I just finished walking through Fukui Island, which was very nice. It was very relaxing. There were not very many people there, so that was a huge plus. It was, just got to take my time walking through the island, and the city is definitely emptied out a good bit here now. There are not very many people walking around like there were earlier, and it's now about 5:30, so there's one more island that has a bridge that you can reach, and I think it's supposed to be free. We'll see if I'm able to walk through that or if it's closed now. It is starting to get a bit dark, so that'll probably be the last thing I do. So I'm gonna see if we can get onto the smaller island. And if not, we'll probably be leaving Matsushima. But regardless, it's been great so far. I'm really enjoying my time here. We'll catch up with you in just a little bit. Hey guys, we made it here to Ojima Island now. This island is much smaller than Fukui Island where we were earlier. It's supposed to be very pretty still, so we're gonna go explore the island. It looks like it's something we can access whenever. I haven't seen anyone here, so this might just be me walking around, which should be pretty nice. So I'm gonna head over the bridge, go to the island, and see what sort of scenery there is to see there.